Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. My husband has been loving Logitech Combo Touch iPad case. He loves the fact that the keyboard is detachable. He also appreciates the adjustable kickstand and the fact that this protects his iPad all the way around. You're gonna see how well made this is. He also likes that the keyboard, it's not tiny, it's just the right size. And the color is a plus since it's a neutral color. This iPad case, it's slim, it's not bulky, it's easy to carry around. We would highly recommend this iPad case if you are looking to take care of your iPad. If you're afraid to break it, then definitely go for this. It will also give you the feeling that you are using a laptop. This iPad cover has helped my husband to operate his iPad just like a laptop. He has been loving it, but that's just my point of view.